Imagine a future where robots tackle everything from heavy lifting to intricate tasks with flawless precision. That future is here, thanks to the Pudu D7, a semi-humanoid robot designed for efficiency, adaptability, and intelligence. In this video, we'll explore why the Pudu D7 is a game-changer across industries like retail, hospitality, and healthcare. Stay tuned, because this AI-powered marvel is reshaping the workforce. What sets Pudu D7 apart? Standing at 1.65 meters and weighing about 45 kilograms, the Pudu D7 balances functionality and practicality. Its design features a human-like torso and arms on a wheeled base, allowing it to perform real tasks, not just look good. With omnidirectional wheels, the D7 moves smoothly in any direction, making it perfect for busy environments like hospital corridors or restaurant kitchens. It can reach speeds of 2 meters per second, keeping pace with human activity while avoiding disruptions. Versatile arms for every task. The arms of the D7 are a standout feature, boasting 30 degrees of freedom for incredible flexibility. Each arm is 65 centimeters long, enabling it to handle a variety of tasks, from serving food to managing fragile medical supplies. What's even more impressive is the ability to customize its arms with different attachments. In advanced configurations, its hands mimic human dexterity with 20 degrees of freedom, making it capable of tasks that require a delicate touch. AI-powered intelligence. What truly differentiates the Pudu D7 from standard service robots is its multi-layered intelligence system. Instead of simply following pre-programmed instructions, this robot learns and evolves with every interaction, whether it's serving meals or transporting items. Every task the D7 performs is logged and analyzed, allowing it to improve its decision-making and adapt to its environment. This ability to learn and adjust makes it perfect for dynamic, unpredictable settings, designed for tight spaces. In busy venues, space is a premium commodity. The D7's omnidirectional wheels allow for seamless navigation, and it can execute 360-degree turns without needing to reposition. This feature is crucial for maneuvering in crowded areas, ensuring it can react quickly to changing surroundings. Additionally, it can handle slopes up to 10 degrees, providing versatility whether it's moving through a flat kitchen or navigating a ramp. Strength meets precision. The Pudu D7's arms can lift 10 kilograms each, allowing it to handle substantial loads while maintaining exceptional accuracy. With a precision of up to 0.1 millimeters, it can manage delicate tasks, vital in high-stakes environments like healthcare. It's built not just for simple service jobs, but also complex operations like sorting goods or operating elevators, making it a versatile addition to any workplace. Battery life that keeps going. Powered by a battery exceeding 1 kilowatt-hour, the D7 operates for over 8 hours straight. This long battery life is essential for industries like healthcare, where consistent operation is necessary without frequent downtime for charging. The Pudu D7 incorporates a sophisticated dual-level control framework. High-level planning manages strategic tasks, while low-level planning executes real-time actions like adjusting grip or avoiding obstacles. This hierarchical approach allows for seamless transitions between broad objectives and detailed tasks. The future of service robotics. Pudu D7 isn't just another service robot. It marks a significant leap forward. With over 80,000 units already deployed globally, Pudu Robotics has established itself as a leader in the service robotics space. The D7 bridges the gap between basic service bots and expensive humanoid robots, offering flexibility without the hefty price tag. Looking ahead, with plans to fully commercialize the D7 by 2025, we're on the cusp of a new era where semi-humanoid robots will become commonplace. The D7's blend of intelligence, adaptability, and practicality positions it as a key player in sectors from retail to healthcare, enhancing efficiency and reducing human error. The Pudu D7 is more than just a tool. It's an intelligent partner for the future workforce. With its AI capabilities and ability to learn and adapt, it's set to revolutionize how industries operate. If you're excited about the future of AI and robotics, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment to our channel Money Mind AI.